Lathe is a multi-purpose machine in which you can perform various operations like turning, drilling, threading, facing, etc. It rotates the object about its central point to perform various operations on it, such as giving a particular shape to the object. In lathe machine, the workpiece is fixed between the headstock and the tailstock, and when spindle starts rotating, playing a huge role in cutting, rotates the workpiece at desired speed. In this process, all unwanted substance is removed by cutting tool bits and the workpiece turns into desired shape.
So hey guys, welcome back to AMIE. So guys, that was the basic introduction about the lathe machine. So guys, as we all know, the lathe is called as a universal machine, and it can be used to perform the various operations such as facing, boring, counter boring, rimming, knurling, turning, step turning, internal turning, external turning. We can also do the threading operation on this lathe machine by engaging this back gear mechanism over here, like back gear, or else we can call it as a rack and pinion mechanism over here. We can do this threading operation over here in case of lathe machine. So guys, starting from the beginning, this is the bed way of the lathe machine. It is typically like the body of the lathe machine upon which the rest of the equipments are gets mounted. Okay, so guys, this body is made up of cast iron, or we can harden like a cast iron basically. So this is having the slots over here in between. You can see from top, these are the slots basically provided for when we do like various cutting operations such as the facing or drilling, or else we can like turning. There is the formation of the chips, so the chips will go down directly and it can be collected in a box. So that's why this slots are provided on this lathe bed. So guys, that was the bed way. Okay, and guys, upon this bed way, this carriage assembly slides. This carriage slides upon this bed way. uh, Apart from carriage, this tailstock also slides. So upon this bed, lathe bed. So guys, the main important parameter in lathe machine is the chuck. So guys, the chuck can be 3 jaws or it can be of 4 jaws. In our industry, most of the cases we can see this 3 jaw chuck, because when we insert a chuck key inside a 3 jaw, the 3 of the jaws can operate at the same time. So guys, the throwing of this job can be easy. Like if you are working on a round pieces, so there will be no vibrations. Like the perfect round we can get in the case of 3 jaw chuck. So guys, upon this chuck is a work holding device in which we can hold round workpieces. Okay, in certain cases we can hold square also, and hex also, but that is the special assembly. Okay, so apart from chuck we can use collets also. In this case, this is just such as the work holding devices. The next one is this tool post, which is nothing but the this is the tailstock, guys. So guys, this tailstock, it can be used for mounting of this dead center. So guys, it is shown a dead center which is required like for if you have a long rod like structure, you can mount it on the chuck and you can hold it in this center by sliding this, and we can do like step turning, you can do growing operation also guys in this case. So guys, this is the hand wheel, okay, and by rotating this hand wheel you can this dead center comes in and out, okay. So guys, this is a tool post which is very important, upon which we can mount our tool, that is the tool bit. We can, this is the single point cutting tool which I have shown over here. So this tool post, it is used to mount this cutting tool, okay. So guys, this is the like mounting of the cutting tool we have seen. So guys, this wheel can be used for movement of the longitudinal movement of this whole carriage in lead, on lead bed basically. So guys, upon this over here, it is like and this is the, for the angular movement, this carriage is this slide which is like a steel plate, it is shown, it is for the like angular movement. And this one is the cross slide guys, you can see over here, this one is the saddle upon which the are mounted. And this one is the guys the cross slide, okay. Yeah, this one is the cross slide upon which we can have like the cross feed, we can give cross feed, okay, by turning off this red handle, okay. So we can have a cross feed by this. So guys, this is the lathe machine, okay. And coming to the point of transmission, like power transmission, the power can be transmitted through this electric motor by the means of this pulleys, like we can call it as a pulley, or this can be of a gear belt also. This is the rubber gear belt, this is like the gear assembly guys. So by this gear assembly, it transmits power from electric motor to chuck. So guys, this assembly is of the gear is known as the back gear assembly guys, okay. And from this shifting grip mechanism, we can like adjust the speed ratio in our lathe machine, because in certain cases we do need require the large more speed, more speed, and in certain cases we do require the less speed. So it depends upon the what kind of operation we are going to do on this machine. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do hit like, please do comment if you have any doubts and queries, and guys, please do subscribe to my channel AMIE. Thank you guys, God bless you all.